Hello and welcome to Last Week in Finance. Today is December 20 of 2020. Let's go to the numbers, shall we? Of course, the S&P 500 at new historical height. Right now it's at 3,709 points. It was a plus of 1.25%. The dollar is getting crushed on the markets. The DXY is at negative 1.60% from the previous week. It's at 89.92 points, below the 90 mark of all this year. Gold, on the other hand, went up 2.33% this week. The ounce of gold is at $1,881. Of course, silver, following the trend of the gold, went up way up this week, almost 8%. $25.82 is the cost of the ounce of silver. Dr. Copper also went up this week, 4%, $3.64 per pound of copper this moment. Also, the crude oil went up. The West Texas Intermediate oil went up 3.21% this week. The barrel of crude oil is at $48.26. Also, the 10-year, the Treasury bond 10-year went up this week, is close to the 1%. More accurate is at 0.946%, the yield of the 10-year Treasury bond. And of course, crypto guys, I got you covered. You were expecting this. Bitcoin went up this week over 21%. Oh my freaking god. Right now, the Bitcoin is at $23,000, $337 since the last time I checked it out a few hours ago. Of course, now go to the numbers. Of course, the jobless claims in the US are going up close to 900,000 just this week over the predicted estimations of a little bit above 800,000. Of course, we had this week this declaration of Jerome Powell, the Fed chair, and basically stripping all the nonsense and the blah 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 and the chit chat. They're gonna keep the interest rate 0 bound. They're gonna keep the QE as long as they have to do it. So, what does it mean? It's gonna keep printing money, and only God knows what the hell is gonna happen. The cost of housing is going up. Most in the residential real estate is located in the suburbs. Why is that? Many people want to buy properties on the suburbs or smaller cities. They're fleeing the big cities like New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco, whatever. Well, not some of San Francisco. I'm sorry about that. And the thing is, since the pandemic, there is very few people that are willing to sell their house or show the house due to the pandemic. And also is this much have to do with the low interest rates for mortgages. What many people are doing is are doing their refinancing their mortgages in order to be in a more stable position regarding their mortgages. So the market is very tight. Is right now is at seller's market. Of course, this for me this is a bubble and it's gonna pop anytime soon. The US public debt is right now at 130%. The GDP is around 21 trillion and the US debt is at 27 trillion. So go figure. So how are we gonna end up this year? Probably with more record highs of many of these instruments, these financial assets. The S&P 500 will go up to infinity and beyond for this year at least. What is left for the year? Probably commodities will still go up. This nonsense, and we have this quote unquote K-shaped recovery. These all these instruments are going up, none with none except for the commodities that of course they are hard assets. They are not dependent on valuation, depend on their supply of demand, are still gonna go up, I believe, I suppose. Most smart people say that. I'm not saying I'm a smart people, but I also think there should be go higher. We have a bubble in the S&P 500. Still should still go higher. Bitcoin, I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm bullish on Bitcoin and other crypto, but I don't know what. Really, I don't know what's gonna happen, and but it's gonna be bad because when these financial assets, are not attached to real economic growth, very bad things happen. So I'm gonna leave with that. Thanks for listening. Thanks for joining me. We will be seeing next week. Take care. Happy holidays. Bye bye.